Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to make a Bluesky feed. First, go to any web browser, type Sky Feed, and then click the very first link that you can see. This is the Sky Feed homepage, and all you have to do here is to simply enter your username or your email address. Once you have added your email address or your username, what you're going to do is you have to click this arrow facing up beside this app password. Now it will take you directly to this page, and all you have to do is to click this add app password. Now you have to add your password right here. And please do not click this allow access to your direct messages. Never click this one, tap next, and then here is your app password. All you have to do is to copy this and then go back to your Sky feed. And then this time you have to paste that password right here, Control V or paste, and then tap continue. Now here it will show you to your Sky feed, which is of course connected to your Bluesky. And if you have added tons of posts on your Bluesky, then probably you can customize it. You can create your first feed if you want. So tap this one. And then as you can see, your Bluesky is connected here. So if you want to add block, you just have to click add block. And then there are choices here. For example, this one. Okay, so this is your hello Alexa. This is my my intro. This is the name of my feed. And then if I want to add block, for example, if I want to add input, so I have to click this single user right here, select yourself, and probably I can now see my feed on my Bluesky account. If you want to add another black, just click add black here and you have choices. Okay, feel free to add. So if in case that there are some errors when you add a block, it's because you haven't posted a lot on your Bluesky. I just created my Bluesky, so there are a few posts and I can only add a few blocks right here. But basically this is how to make a Bluesky feed. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.